Media Accounts Teachings, Subsidiary Books. If you like my video, kindly like it, subscribe it and share it. If you have any doubt, call at 614-35-205-206. My mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Other is kumar745@yahoo.com. Today we are going to discuss subsidiary books of accounts. There are 8 subsidiary books of accounts. These are also called as books of original entry. They are 1. Purchase book, number 2. Sales book, number 3. Purchases returns book, number 4. Sales returns book, number 5. Bills receivable book, number 6. Bills payable book, number 7. Cash book, and number 8, the last one, is General Proper book. Now we are starting with the purchase book. In purchase book, we record the credit purchase of those goods in which we deals in or we trade in. If we deal in grocery goods, all the credit purchases of grocery goods will be recorded in purchase book. Every business transaction is supported with invoice or bill as proof of evidence of transactions. Thus, we write the number of that bill or invoice in subsidiary books. If there are more than one transaction from supplier, we first record in details column and the total of detail is shown in amount column. Against total of purchase book, we record to purchases account debit. Now we are giving you the pro forma of purchase book. The first column is of date, second column is purchases or from whom bought, third is invoice number, fourth is ledger folio, fifth is details, and the last one is amount. Now suppose on 2000 March 7, we have bought from Sam and Company through invoice number 5679. First item is 20 bags of sugar at ₹50 per bag. The amount comes to 1000, which we are showing in detail column. Since we have bought more than one goods from Sam and Company. The next is 50 bags of rice at ₹200 per bag, 10,000. The last one is 100 bags of pulses at ₹500 per bag, 50,000. The total of detail column is coming 61,000, which we are showing in amount column. And for the total of purchases, 61,000, we are writing purchases account debit. Please remember, purchases account debit is written against the total of purchase book. If there are more than one supplier, in the same way we will go on recording in purchase book, and then the final amount against final account we will write purchases account debit. If we have bought only one good, then straightaway we can show in the amount column. It is our choice whether we show in details column as well as in amount column or straightway in amount column. Thank you very much.